Yeah, this is your first bite of any food. It's called a carrot. Are you ready? Look at her, she's like ready. Oh, what do you think? What is that? What is that? Is that good? Is that good? You want some more? Oh, yeah. Oh.
She's not quite sure if she likes it or not.
That's different than cereal. It's different than cereal. It's Yummo. Is it Yummo? Look, she keeps coming back for more. Yeah, is that good? Is that carrot?
What do you think, Olivia? Do you approve of carrot?
Carrot.
Do you think carrot's okay?
What do you think? Want more?
No?
Oh, yeah, we want more, Mama. We want more, Mama.
Excellent.
Very good, honey.